Everyone, welcome to the channel. Finally, a motor vlog, eh? So we are ready. We found a new rider. So excited. Hello, hello.
All good?
Yeah, good. Ready? So we do middle road or we will find out.
Yeah.
Let's go. Let's go, boys. I fill the fuel, so I always trip at zero. The exhaust. Now hearing his bike, I will have to spend $2,000 on it. A nice sounding exhaust. Feeling a little bit scared after a long time. When the bike leaned over, the body wants to like, oh, we falling. Turn the bike up. Hopefully I don't bring any mountain bike habits to the motorbike. As you know, I did with the motorbike habits. I squeezed the front brake of the mountain bike and I was like, what's happening? I was like crashing again and again. Then end of the run I found out that I was grabbing the front brake like I do on my motorbike. Finally found someone to ride with. Like, we already have a really nice group. I've not been able to catch up with them recently. Today they're doing really good ride. I really wanted to do that. That's like kind of my loop I wanted to do, but oh man, I already spent like day away from family. I don't wanna like stay away from the family again on a weekend, 2 days in a row. Not gonna do anything crazy today. Just enjoy the flow. Turning right, keep the right hand heavy. You always learn something. Oh, look at the view. Yeah, there's pretty much half an hour.
Okay.
So half an hour to go back. I think it's gonna be 15 past 10, quarter past 10. Oh, quarter past 11.
11. Should be fine.
11:30, did you say?
Yeah, 11, half past 11.
Oh, it's only 9:30. Oh,
Now we can go to the shop, the cafe.
Oh yeah. I thought it's 10:30. Sorry.
11:30.
Oh, I was looking at my. Oh, the time is different on the motorbike. Oh, sorry. Shit. I thought it's
11:30.
Oh, it's 11:30. Yeah. Oh, so the heaps of time then.
Yeah.
Heaps of time.
If there is not enough time, I won't.
Time.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now all good. We carry on.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow, that exhaust sounds really cool.
It's like $4,000.
Oh, $4,000.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, no.
$2,000 or
2.5.
two? Oh, akra. Oh, they're expensive. Eh?
Yeah. Because I bought like a lamb version stock bike.
Yeah.
And I de-registered it.
Yeah, de-risked.
Yeah, change the tires, install the kick shifter. replace the exhaust full system. I can't change the muffler
Oh yeah.
full system.
Oh, full system. Oh, same.
Yeah, I can't change.
I need the full system as well.
Well, you can feel the difference once you replace the
Yeah.
exhaust.
Now good. Let's try this out. I love the exhaust on it. Oh man, really stable in the corners.
Yeah.
This bike just don't.
Now it's heavy. That's why I said it's heavy.
Yeah, it's like really stable. Like you can feel where it's going. Like on my bike, it's everywhere.
It's lighter, but it's good. It's heavy.
Yeah. Oh, nice. It doesn't hurt the ears and perfect
Yeah.
sound you want. Yeah.
And literally you can drive around 50 on 6 gear.
Oh yeah, fifth. It was like fifth gear and
Yeah.
couldn't really feel. Do you need?
You won't feel anything.
Yeah, I had a look. I thought I'm in third or then I saw it's in fifth gear. Amazing. Yeah, all the bikes are different.
Yeah. Especially Honda. Oh,
Yeah.